Hey, it's Terry Crews. I am so excited. I am about to be speaking to Cellebrite right now. It's on. Guys, here we go.
Welcome back, everyone, to C2C Round 2.
Welcome, everybody, to the National Portrait Gallery here in Washington, D.C.
So we created C2C to be the one place where examiners, those who are doing investigations in private industry, can come together and learn about best practices and what's going on in the world of digital forensics.
In digital forensics, we often say it takes a village. This summit is your chance to build your village.
That's been absolutely fantastic. Obviously, Terry Crews speaking in the morning was so inspirational.
Everyone in here can instantly change and create a new future if you need to.
We're good technologists, but we're not as good at what you do as you.
The most valuable thing is when we bring 1,000 of our customers together and they share real-world experiences, challenges, learnings, objectives. To walk the hallways and see so many people that are here for a common cause, together we are making the world safer.
I actually solved a case from something I learned from C2C last year. So I still learn something new every time I come to one of these, and it's invaluable.
As one-on-one sessions with some of the peers that people look up to, like the networking and the value and the peers that are here is amazing.
Oh, I came from Brazil, so I've traveled for 15 hours. It's very useful to have all these contacts and exchange experiences.
My agency, we are Cellebrite users, so it's great to kind of put everything together and see everyone network.
Cellebrite is the leader in the world of mobile forensics, and I think it's very important to be up to date with the latest best practice.
Engage in the demos. There's some amazing demos to see in the demo center. There's going to be some early access into our new AI platform, which is simply unbelievable at the power that's going to bring to investigations.
CFID, Insights, Pathfinder, Investigate, Guardian, Corellium, Genesis, Endpoint Inspector, all of the stuff I just talked about, well, you can come find us in the demo theater.
It's a wonderful opportunity for all of our customers to come together and actually have that camaraderie, and
especially tonight, celebrate exactly what they're doing day to day.
These are our heroes, so it feels appropriate. In fact, it feels necessary to recognize this community.
So we're live in Washington, D.C. at Cellebrite's Justice. It's the Digital Justice Awards. And again, this is where we're honoring the incredible men and women working in digital forensics and investigation.
Cellebrite created the show because we believe that you all deserve your own red carpet evening, which is what this is all about.
Something that's really unique about this summit, you're getting people who have worked major cases that you probably have seen in the news.
This is a particularly distressing case. We've got 50 years of law enforcement between us. We've worked on some horrendous crimes, but this is by far and away the worst case we've ever dealt with.
One of the mistakes that I made in this investigation was that I didn't do proper surveillance.
Hearing an investigator talk about the mistakes they made, even the best ones are not perfect.
But what I'd actually done was painted a picture of an extremely dangerous, predatory male who was preying on vulnerable young women.
I was able to see that my voice mattered, and it helped push me to continue through the 12 years that it took to get there.
For example, I'm talking about Idaho with my husband and Jeff from the FBI, and the FBI has yet to speak publicly on this case. So this is the first time where the three of us are coming together to tell you the truth on what that investigation meant to us and what it meant to see him be put behind bars.
If they leave this conference and believe this company cares about us, cares about our mission, and they're committed to doing what it takes to enable us to succeed, that's success.
Next year, we're going to Dallas. The event will be bigger, it'll be better. Everything is bigger in Texas.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. That's Cellebrite. Thank you for having me. I love you guys. Let's go.